Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel. Today we will be looking at the new Vaporesso Luxe Xr Max 80 watt pod kit featuring a built-in 2800 mAh rechargeable battery, 80 watt max power output, integrating Vaporesso's Axon chipset, providing rapid firing speeds with a smart atomizer recognition feature displayed on a large OLED screen, accompanied by stunning RGB lighting effects, powered by fast charging Type-C USB, paired with a 5 ml refillable Luxe Xr pod, side adjustable airflow control system, adopting their advanced CoreX heating technology, compatible with Vaporesso's entire GTX mesh coil series. Let's get right into it and present the new Luxe Xr Max Pod Kit by Vaporesso. And here we have the new Luxe Xr Max Pod Kit provided to us as a sample by Vaporesso. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, the device offers a compact form factor build, backed with an open circuit board design, paired with dual breathing RGB lighting effects for a futuristic look. Available in 7 different colorways to choose from. Here we have the black edition for today's review, integrating a built-in 2800 mAh rechargeable battery. The Luxe Xr Max delivers a max power output of 80 watts, powered by fast charging Type-C USB, featuring a single intuitive firing button, 0.54-inch OLED display screen, with 2 adjustment keys, providing a touchscreen-like experience. Here we have our adjustable airflow control side lever, allowing for precise airflow adjustments. Here we have the Vaporesso logo on the back, along with the Luxe text logo, and a Type-C USB charge port rested on the bottom, paired with the new Luxe Xr pod, offering a transparent pod structure, ergonomic mouthpiece, magnetic pod connection, with a bottom fill system housing up to 5 ml of e-liquid. The device is compatible with Vaporesso's GTX coil series, along with the previous Luxe X pods, backed with their advanced CoreX heating technology, bringing you tasty flavor production and dense vapor output. To power on the device, press the firing button 5 times, and the main screen will showcase the battery level, wattage level, and puff record. Here we can see the breathing LED effects. Press the firing button 3 times to adjust the wattage level, adjusting in increments of 1, with a max power output of 80 watts, no round robin feature. Press the firing button 4 times to enter the main settings. Now here we can toggle between the puff record, smart mode, and the LED effects. The package will include the Luxe Xr Max battery device with a 5 ml refillable pod, utilizing a pre-installed 0.2 ohm GTX mesh coil, an extra Luxe Xr pod with a pre-installed 0.4 ohm GTX mesh coil, a Type-C USB charging cable, and a user manual.